Hello viewers, in this video let's discuss about functions and working of geogrids and also types of geogrids. First of all, the functions and working of geogrids. The geogrids serve the function of holding or capturing the aggregates together. This method of interlocking the aggregates would help in an earthwork that is stabilized mechanically. The apertures in geogrids help in interlocking the aggregates or the soil that are placed over them. A representation of this concept will be shown here. The geogrids, as mentioned here, helps in redistribution of load over a wider area. This function has made the pavement construction more stabilized and strong. It has following functional mechanisms which applied for pavement construction, that is tension membrane effect. This mechanism is based on the concept of vertical stress distribution. This vertical stress is from the deformed shape of the membrane, and this mechanism was initially considered as the primary mechanism, but later studies proved the lateral retaining mechanisms is the major criteria that must be taken into consideration. Next, improvement of bearing capacity. One of the main mechanism happening after geogrid installation in pavement in the reduction in lateral movement of the aggregate. This would result in the elimination of stresses that if exist would have moved into the subgrade. The geogrid layer possesses sufficient frictional resistance that opposes subgrade lateral movement. This mechanism hence improves the bearing capacity of the layer. Reduction of outward stresses means inward stresses are formed, which is the reason behind the increase in the bearing capacity. Next one is lateral restraining capability. The stresses produced by means of the wheel loadings coming over the pavement results in the lateral movement of the aggregates, which in the turn affects the stability of the whole pavement arrangement. The geogrid acts as a restraint against this lateral movement. Next, types of geogrids. Based on the manufacturing process involved in geogrids, it can be of extruded, woven, bonded geogrids. Based on which direction the stretching is done during manufacture, geogrids are classified as uniaxial and biaxial geogrids.